Are you unable to receive notifications on your Apple Watch? Well, it's a common issue that can happen due to settings, connection problems, or software glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this unable to receive notifications issue on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Single tap on the power button. Make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off. Then scroll down a little bit. Make sure to turn off silent mode as well. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. First of all, open up the Settings app, tap Notifications, then toggle on the Notifications indicator. Scroll down, then tap Show Notifications on wrist down. Now make sure to enable Show Notifications from here. Solution 2. Turn off low power mode. Open up the Settings app again. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the battery. Now scroll down again. Make sure to turn off low power mode. Solution 3. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. And that's all. That's how you can fix this unable to receive notifications issue on your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.